Grabe, ang bilis ng 2025, no?
Yes po. Sobra.
First and foremost, I'd like to thank you, all of you, for everything that you do. Para sa mga madali ang renovation ng banyo, lipatan ng floors, utos ng mga kung sino-sino man, pagtulong sa ibang departments, you've never failed us. You've always been there to support us with a smiling face. Pero kay Jessica na palaging galing. So thank you. And every year, I personally make you part of my Christmas list. Kaya may pabaon ako later.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Salamat din sa pagkuha ng delivery ko pag meron. No, thank you very much. And I hope that you feel valued and important. We make this celebration happen every year for you because we want you to feel that you are important to us too. Wish all of you and your families a very Merry Christmas. I hope na may madagdag sa Noche Buena niyo yung pabaon ko. But I'm equally excited for 2026. Diba? We're part of a bigger family now with DDCX. I hope next year, hindi pa sa inyo makabisita ng site nila para makita natin kung how they do things and maybe take best practices. Matutuwa kayo. So I'm so excited for 2026. I will continue to look forward to seeing you every day. Minsan nakita ko to sa LV. Serious na serious, pero pag may makita siyang employee, ngiti agad. And I see that from most of you, and thank you. Thank you for doing your work and for looking after each other. Dahil inaalagaan niyo kami, ito rin yung way namin para pagpahalagahan kayo. Thank you.
Thank you din po.
Thank you so much.